If you are choosing what videos you're going to create by looking at a list you came up with, you're completely wasting your time here on YouTube. I bring this up because so many people that I work with avoid or hesitate starting with YouTube because they think it's going to take too long to see results or that it's a long-term play. But if you are posting random videos whenever you have an idea, it is going to take you forever to see results here on YouTube. But if you're strategic about what you post, how you post, and how each one of your videos works together, you could make a sale with less than 20 views on that video. One of my clients did exactly that, and I'm gonna break down how she did it in this video. I understand that YouTube feels big. The editing, the equipment, the algorithm, being on video in general, and that you need to post every week pressure. So instead of thinking through the strategy for each video that you post, you are probably doing what most coaches and course creators do that I talk to. You make a list of ideas, you post one when you feel inspired, and you just hope the right people see it, and then wonder why that video is not contributing to sales, why that video is not sending you more leads. It's because that is not a YouTube strategy. You're basically playing YouTube roulette. And if your videos aren't connected or planned with the end in mind, they're just floating around on the internet, not doing anything for your business. I actually would love to hear how you are choosing your videos right now when you put them on YouTube. Have you created a list and you're picking from your list? Are you using some type of strategy? Let me know how you're currently choosing what videos you're creating on your YouTube channel in the comments below, because I just want to get a sense of how you as my viewer are choosing videos to create. Thanks for sharing that. I want to go back to busting a big myth that I mentioned I hear all the time from business owners specifically, that YouTube is a long game. And yes, it very much can be, but it doesn't have to be when you're creating the right content for your ready to buy viewers. People who are already looking to the solution you have for the problem they're having. Let me tell you about Emily. She had just started her YouTube channel and she jumped into the strategy I teach my clients inside the YouTube coaching experience. And it only took about 5 videos following my strategy on a video that had less than 20 views in under 24 hours brought her a client. That is in less than a month of implementing the strategy that I share on a video that was posted under 24 hours old and less than 20 views. Why did this work? Because she wasn't chasing viral content. She was speaking directly to her ready to buy viewer and using the structure in that video, the way I break down my content that I share in my video game plan. Now that's a really important piece, because if you aren't following the proper video structure on YouTube, you're not gonna get people to watch, but you're not gonna get people to take action, as in buy your thing or figure out how to work with you. So if now you're wondering, okay, but how do I structure my videos, Trena? You can grab my video game plan mini course, or I show you exactly how to open your videos, how to title and thumbnail your videos, and where to place your call to actions in your video. It's basically a plug and play system that shows you exactly how to structure your videos for the best results on YouTube. So they're structured to sell more and not just sit there and get no views. If you want to make sure your videos are structured right, go to trenalittle.com/video plan to grab that mini course today. And make sure every video that you create counts. Now, I keep saying this strategy. Let's jump into what I mean by this strategy. What most business owners miss here on YouTube is that you're not a YouTuber. I don't want to be a YouTuber. I don't have time for that. You're a business owner using YouTube to sell, to generate leads, to find clients. That means you don't have to chase trends. You don't need thousands and thousands of views to make money from YouTube. And you definitely don't need perfect editing or aesthetic fancy B-roll for your videos to get the results you want, AKA clients, leads, sales. What you do need though is a series of videos that guide your viewer from problem to solution to your offer. This is what I teach, specifically my framework called the YouTube playlist funnel. And when it's built right, your videos stack watch time. Why is this important that you're stacking watch time? Because when you can get people to binge watch multiple videos of yours and your channel starts to show YouTube you have all of this watch time, the YouTube algorithm will promote your videos for free because YouTube wants people on YouTube to have a good experience. And if YouTube knows your videos get people to watch them and watch more content, YouTube says we're gonna put more of these videos in front of the right people. So you're stacking watch time when you use a playlist funnel. You're also keeping views on your channel. Why is this important? It's because the more people watch of your content, the more they build trust with you, the more they feel like they know you, the more they're going to like you. And what does that result to? Increasing conversion rates. So you need to get people to watch multiple videos of yours, pleasing the algorithm on the side, to get them to believe you are the right person to help them solve the problem they have. Stacking watch time, keeping viewers on your channel, and this third piece, guiding people step by step until they're ready to buy. Generally, my playlist funnels are about 5 videos. Now, my viewers can pop into that playlist anywhere that they need to, but if somebody jumps in at the top of the playlist, they aren't quite ready yet for my solution. So my videos are built strategically to warm them up, to guide them through my playlist funnel, to get them to have aha moments, realizations, mindset shifts that my solution is the best solution for them. Basically, this playlist funnel replaces traditional email funnels, but in a way that's bingeable and builds belief. Because the hardest part about email funnels are getting people to open your email in the first place and getting them to wait for you to drip those emails to them like every day. Whereas as you build a playlist funnel, people can binge watch your entire funnel in less than an hour, and they can buy within that same hour. In fact, I just recently got this comment on one of my videos. Thank you so much for sharing with me, because this shows the power of a playlist funnel. I'm just curious if this is sparking your interest and you're really thinking about building your public YouTube playlist funnel. Go ahead and comment funnel below so I know you're my type of viewer. Now, there are mistakes that happen with this process, and here's the biggest mistake I see business owners make: posting a video with no plan at what's coming next. If your viewer isn't sold yet after finding you on that first video and there's no next video, they're gone. You've just leaked a potential lead, a potential client. So when you're thinking about the videos that you're putting out and you're thinking now about this playlist funnel, you need to start asking yourself, what video do I want to create next week? And ask yourself, what will they need to hear next after this video to build the belief that my solution is the solution they need for their problem? And make that your next video. That's how you start creating these playlist funnels and not just creating a YouTube feed that could be leaking leads every day. YouTube doesn't need to be hard. In fact, it's not. And YouTube doesn't have to be slow with results. In fact, I've seen many clients get quick results, i.e. new leads and sales. What will slow you down, what will make YouTube hard, is posting random videos without a strategy and hoping they work. But if you start to structure your content the right way, as I've shown you with a few of my clients, and myself included, you can start to see results right away. Like Emily, like so many of my clients who make daily sales, not because they're posting more videos on YouTube, but because they're posting smarter. Now, what if I told you this is just the tip of the iceberg in how I'm making daily sales, and I actually turn YouTube viewers into repeat buyers? What you see here on my channel, on my playlist funnels, are what you see publicly. But I have an invisible YouTube strategy that works for me around the clock, turning $27 buyers into $2,000 clients. This invisible YouTube strategy allows me to continue to make more sales while creating even less content. In fact, I haven't been on Instagram all year. So I'm gonna remove the invisibility cloak for you and show you exactly what this invisible strategy looks like in this next video on your screen right now.